Hey beautiful, so in today's video we'll be making pepper chicken and crispy sweet potato. I will show you how to get your potatoes crisp. So first thing we'll be doing is to marinate our chicken. You can use any seasoning of your choice to marinate, and after marinating you let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, or you can marinate overnight, that is 24 hours before use. But here I just did within a few minutes, and after that I went into the frying process. So here is my frying pan heated with a little bit of butter, and I added vegetable oil to it, and I will be frying this until it is golden brown, until it's brown enough that I want. Follow the videos to watch. In case this is your first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. This is Anabi's Kitchen and Bake, a Port Harcourt based YouTuber. We blog about food content and baking hacks in baking and lots more. I'm sure you will love this channel. Do wait to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification button to get notified when I upload a new video on my channel. So you just keep flipping like I am doing here to allow this to fry very well until it's golden brown. After that, we'll move over to my potatoes. My sweet potatoes were already sliced, they were already cut. You can use Irish potatoes. What I was using is sweet potatoes. You can use any one of your choice. I had to slice them and then allow them to soak for just 5 to 10 minutes, 5 to 10 seconds, sorry. After that, I have to drain it off. Now we have two methods when you want to get your potatoes crispy like you want. You can use the double frying method, you can use the oven method, you can use the one time method on a very low heat, and that is what I'll be showing you today. We're using the single method, which is just one time frying method. For this recipe, you can do the double, you can do the oven frying method, and you can do the single method on a low heat. And I mean low heat, very low. When you're doing the double method, you do the low, and then the second time you just have to increase your heat on the second. But so my chicken was ready at this point, and I just have to take it off the heat and then continue. So here is my chopped sweet potatoes. So you can chop them to your desired size, your desired shape. Like I said, you can use Irish potatoes, and you can use any potatoes of your choice, but here I'm using the sweet potatoes for my crispy potatoes chips. So the first thing I'll be doing is to take in my oil. If you've watched my video on how to make chin chin, I said I love emperor. I love making use of emperor oil because emperor oil is just the best for baking, cooking, and frying of anything of your choice. Emperor gives you the best taste in your food, but that will be a topic for a different day. So this is how you know that your oil is well heated. You just have to take a deep one into the oil to confirm how ready your oil is. Okay, so don't forget we are frying this on a low heat. Like, you just have to reduce your heat because this is not the double frying method, this is the single double method. So you just have to reduce it to the lowest, and you keep turning, you keep stirring until you get the desired look and crispy taste that you want. In case you've watched to this point and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please just take a minute of your time and subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, drop your like and drop your comments. Don't forget to tell your loved ones about this channel. Share, comment and like. And to get notified when we upload a new video, don't forget to turn on the post notification to get updated. So as you can see, I just have to keep stirring and so it doesn't go bad, and I kept reducing my heat so it doesn't flame up. As you can see, it's not ready. It's not really what I want. See how it's looking. So I just have to keep stirring on a low heat, guys, on a low heat. Like, I just have to sound it so you understand how crispy I want this to turn out. So you just keep stirring and stirring and stirring. And when you soak your potatoes, please don't allow it to stay too long so you don't go soggy, you don't go, So now this is what it looks like after frying for some minutes thereabouts. This is what it looks like. And if you want it more crispy, you can just let it be on the fire before you take it out. This is what it looks like, guys. Like, so I will repeat this on all my potatoes until I am done frying them. So let's keep watching. So guys, this is what it looks like after frying. Tell me you're not loving this. Tell me you're not craving for this already. Is it looking like what it should be giving? Guys, tell me. Hope you're gonna try this at home and don't forget to comment. So after arranging this, you just have to give this some some garnishing with salt, because after slicing and soaking this, you don't fry with salt. You just fry it, and when you're done, you just drizzle some salt and give it that. Guys, this thing is actually going on my head. It's like, you just take a little salt on it. Then I use paprika powder to just give it that spicy kind of a taste. Is optional. If you don't have paprika, you can just let it be. And after that, I have to use some fresh parsley on this, guys. Ooh. So this is our chicken and ketchup. You can use some ketchup to enjoy this. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Hope you were able to watch the end. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe.